Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use GoFullPage, a Chrome extension that captures entire web pages as screenshots. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your window, where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing and managing your browser. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Extensions. This will open a submenu showing you extension-related options. From this submenu, click on Visit Chrome Web Store. This action will open a new tab and take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, which is Google's official marketplace for browser extensions and add-ons. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, look at the top of the page where you'll find a search bar. Click on this search bar and type in GoFullPage. This extension is specifically designed to capture entire web pages in one screenshot, which is incredibly useful when you need to save or share complete pages that extend beyond your screen. After searching, you'll see the GoFullPage extension appear in the results. Click on it to open its dedicated page. On this page, you'll find a blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button and a confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will now download and install GoFullPage, which should only take a few seconds. With the extension installed, navigate to any website you want to capture. Once you're on the page you want to screenshot, look at the top right corner of your browser where you'll see the extensions icon, which looks like a puzzle piece. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on GoFullPage. The extension will immediately start processing your website. Now, you'll need to be patient while the extension works its magic. The processing time varies depending on the length and complexity of the website you're capturing. Longer pages with more images and content will naturally take more time to process completely. Once the processing is complete, the extension will automatically open a new tab displaying a full preview of your captured website. This preview shows you exactly what your screenshot looks like from top to bottom. From here, you have several options available. You can click Edit if you want to make any modifications to the screenshot before saving it. If you're not happy with the capture and want to remove it, click the trash can icon to delete it. When you're ready to save, you have two format options. Click the Download PDF icon if you want to save your capture as a PDF document, or click the Download icon to save it as a PNG image file. And that's it! You've successfully captured an entire web page using the GoFullPage extension. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.